Hello my beauties, I hope you're all having a gorgeous beautiful day. My name is Lilian Tahmasian. For those of you that don't know me, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a beautiful, gorgeous, amazing weekend. Today I am going to be doing a video that I've been wanting to do for a long time, because the number one question I always get asked about, besides my hair, is why are you always so confident? Why are you so happy? Do you ever get bad days? What makes you motivated? You are such an inspiration. How can we feel inspired? And that all means the entire world to me. So I thought I'm going to be making like a whole video around that. If you are ever having a bad day, I want you to come find this video, click on it, press play, and just watch it, and hopefully it will truly get you into the best mood, because you are deserving of that. Why not? The world is yours, and why not kill it with positivity, confidence, and just power, because you have that. Before I go ahead and get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you like it, and leave your comments and thoughts as always below, because I would love to hear them. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the video. So these are going to be 5 tips that help me get out of bed every single morning, go and chase my dreams, my goals, things that allow me to stay motivated, driven, and inspired. I'm not gonna lie, some days you wake up and you're just like, I can't deal with this day, and I completely get that. But then I just think about all the goals and dreams that we have, and why not make them reality? We're only on this earth at one time. And pretty much my number one tip into tricking yourself into thinking that you can jump out of bed and get things done is, are you ready? Is the littlest, tiniest thing, which is get up, change your clothes, even if you have nothing to do particularly that day. Change your clothes, put on a tiny bit of makeup, and just smell good. Now, having said that, this is what I mean. Have you realized the second you change out of your pajamas and you wear like legit clothes, like what I'm wearing now, you put on a tiny bit of makeup, or even like skincare, literally skincare products, you just zhuzh up your hair a tiny bit or just throw it up in a bun, you instantly feel better. Add on to that, for me, smelling and looking good is like one thing. I feel like if I shower and I smell good, I feel like I can conquer on the day. I can do anything I want. I'm out of that sleepy, oh my god, I can't be bothered mood. And recently I came across an amazing company, are you ready, called Sylvain de la Corte, and it's from Paris. And I'm not even joking, when this came from Paris I was like, I can pretend that I've been to Paris. That's right. I discovered them because their scent seemed to be so different compared to like the normal places that you can go grab perfume from. It is completely customized. They have such a beautiful, chic looking variety to their perfume. Does that make sense? It's just the entire website is so chic. Pinterest chic. They have this entire different look on perfume and how you should pick and choose your personal scent. They use one single raw material in 5 different facets, and when I heard that I was a bit confused as to exactly what they meant, but I will show you. So their whole concept behind their website is you get to pick scents that you literally haven't smelled before. You get to pick and choose exactly what's suitable for you, and they truly have like a whole journey. You don't just go ahead and click in cart, and look how cute these bottles are. So I love certain smells, obsessed with like teak wood and certain musky, more men smells. Does that sound weird? I just love the whole musky scent. So I picked out the Helicris, and this is what it looks like. You get to pick and choose, even if it's from one plant. Like, they have different types of scents that they can kind of customize to your needs and wants. And I can't even tell you, this truly is a scent that I haven't smelled before. I feel like with a lot of perfumes you smell, you're like, oh, I know that from somewhere, or someone I know wears that. The whole concept with their website is that you will be smelling a scent that you haven't smelled before, and I feel like that is so personal, because I feel like a scent is what makes you you. You can also get a $4 collection which looks like this. So you pop this open, and there's different kind of scents that you can kind of pick from, and you can go ahead and buy the larger perfume size if you want. Just spraying 1 spritz of this. Even my dad this morning was like, what is that smell? Like, I have never smelled that before. What is going on? And I'm like, yeah, I'm ready for my day. I truly think if you start off with the day right, calm, positive, in a positive environment with like happy thoughts, your goals in mind, and your dreams just straight ahead in front of you, there is nothing that can take you away from your mindset. But having said that, I like to also light a candle, and the same company comes out with candles as well. But look how cute it looks. I feel like I would never get rid of this packaging once I finish the candle as well, and it smells so nice. Like, these aren't perfume scents, like I can't even begin to tell you. These scents are like not floral, but it's things that you don't smell often. Like, I truly don't know how to describe it. This has a whole bunch of plants in it. This is called the Bougie perfume. It's called Equinox de Printemps. I am butchering everything here. I'm so sorry. But I'll be linking everything below, obviously. The good thing about this company is you can get things in a bundle, which is so much more inexpensive than you buying a perfume straight out. So you can pretty much customize your own scent in your own custom box. And the smaller version is $75, but then for the big version like this, it is only $160. So you get a large chunk of perfume. It is customized. It is to what you want, to what's suitable for you. Simple as that. And I truly do think little things like this, when it comes to perfume, makeup, your atmosphere, candles, and just your entire area, can change your entire mood. Am I right or am I right? Let me know. Next. Now, besides scent, how you look, how you feel, your surrounding, that to one side, because that makes everything different. That is so powerful once you change all of that. I know you may hear this a lot, but number 2 is truly surrounding yourself with positive, like-minded people. I cannot tell you how many times in my life when I feel like I'm at a good place, I'm positive, I'm there, I'm driven, I'm motivated, someone enters my life, whether they're female or male, and just their negative energy and their surrounding gets me down, and I could still have no problems in my life, but because they have so much negativity, that does affect you at the end of the day. And I'm not saying don't help people. Obviously, if someone, you know, wants help, or if they're trying to reach out, help them as much as you can, obviously. But having said that, you need to surround yourself every single day with like-minded, positive people. And if someone doesn't understand or relate to your dream, that is okay. Because I remember I used to throw a fight and just put up a fight with every single person. I'm like, no, you don't understand. This is my dream. Like, why don't you believe in me? Why do you have different opinions? But then I thought, Lilian, that's okay. Everyone has their own powerful opinions, and that is okay. You don't need to prove anyone anything. As long as you are set with your dream and your goal in mind, and you have a purpose, and you know how to get from point A to B, because I do feel like dreams come to those people that know how to give them life and release them into reality, then that's all that matters. You don't need to prove anyone anything. No one understands the power that has. Like, I know I keep saying this on my social platforms and you keep hearing it, but it is so true. It's scary how much power other people can have over you and how much influence they have. But the second you get rid of the negativity and people bringing you down, you'll be like, oh, is this what they were talking about? That's how you get to trick yourself into being like, oh no, like I am powerful. Not even trick yourself into being powerful and motivated and driven. It's crazy, but it works. I cannot even begin to tell you how powerful creating a picture that is so clear of your goals and your mindset and where you want to be works. Does that make sense? A few years ago, I had created a vision board. No, that's a lie. A year ago, I created a vision board and there was a whole bunch of stuff on there. And it's so funny, you guys. I was showing my friend at a cafe. I was like, you guys, this is my vision board. No, there was one person. This is my vision board. I'm so happy. And I was like explaining to her what everything was on my vision board, which I'll show you in a second. Hold up. And this random waiter came across and he was like, oh, what are you showing your friend? And I was like, firstly, who are you? Secondly, my vision board. And he goes, oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? It was like questioning my board. And I was like, okay, calm down. Let me explain. I explained to this man, I was like, oh, this is my acting class, my future acting class. This is me on Cosmo. I haven't been on Cosmo, but that's a goal. This is me here. This is me winning an Academy Award. And he goes, oh, what acting class is that? And I told him the name that I had in mind to go to. And he said, that's the acting class I go to now. And I was like, such a lie. He's like, no, that's the class I go to now. I know where it is. And he told me where it was and who the teachers were. I was like, okay, that is the weirdest coincidence. And he said, well, you know what, I'm going to message the main coach and I'm going to tell him that you're starting next week. And I was like, no. This is just like an idea. One day. He goes, no. You're starting next week. This random waiter, let me just explain to you, came up to me and told me I was starting acting class next week. And I was like, okay. And because of that, I felt peer pressure to just sign in because I was too chicken and I was just so scared. Don't judge my videos. I'm a very shy person most of the time. And I was like, oh my gosh, now I feel like I have to do it. And guess what happened, you guys? I started my acting class in November last year and I have never felt more belonged to a place. Like, this was like the scariest dream I had. I was like, one day, what if I start my acting class by myself and I walk in, I don't know anyone there, and I have to act in front of people? Like, I will die. I will have a heart attack and die. And when I did it, I was like, oh my gosh, like this is my dream in life. Now, if you've been watching me for a while now, you might have seen this board, but let me show you again. This is what it looks like, because I do know I have a lot of new subbies, so hello, welcome to my life goal board. Oh, that was a bit aggressive. So this is what it looks like. I can't even explain to you guys how powerful this is. I put this in my office and I look at it every single day. It's like little bits and pieces of, you know, Tony Robbins. I'm obsessed with him. I need to go to his seminar. I need to be on Ellen. I need to work with Cosmo. And the funny thing is, after I posted this up on my vision board, Cosmo emailed me and they said, do you want to work with us? And I was like, do I? It's weird how things happen, and then I ended up being in Cosmo Worldwide. It's just crazy, you guys. I truly feel like when we think about our goals, we're like, oh, one day. No, what do you mean one day? Today, start today. Life is so short and we forget we have one life. Like, you guys, we forget we live one time. Number 4. Now, I'm sure you've heard this, but let me tell you again. The hardest thing when it comes to anything in life that is a change or is going to get you out of your comfort zone is starting. As crazy as that sounds, once you start, there pretty much is no looking back. Whether it's a class, whether it's making new friends, whether it's studying something new, joining a dance class, talking to someone, texting someone, whatever it is, the main and the hardest thing is just to start it. What will happen if you do it? Nothing. Like, I literally tell myself this one thing every single day, and I repeat this in my videos a lot, so you've probably heard about it. I keep telling myself, Lilian, A, you're not going to die. B, what is the worst thing that can happen with anything in life? What is? So you can actually comment below your response to that. What is the worst thing that can happen if you started your #1 goal in life? I'll give you some time. Comment below. Not much, I don't think. I think the answer will be not much. I was reading this book and I cannot remember what it was for the life of me, because I get asked this question all the time. And this man was dying of old age in the hospital, and a lot of people were coming to visit him to say their final goodbyes, and in walked 3 black souls. One of the black souls said, we are your dreams that you never gave life to, and now that you're dying, we have to die with you. As when I heard that, I was like, oh, I can't let my dream of acting die. That is so selfish of me. So I signed up to the class. Number 5, make your daily things that you are doing every single day, or at least in the morning, a habit. So if you want to become healthier, not necessarily lose weight, make that a habit. And to form a habit, you need to do it for a few days in a row. I would like to say 2 weeks to 20 days, right? So 14 to 20 days. If you want to be healthy, do that for 14 days in a row. And then I'm telling you it's going to stick. If you want to read more books, read a book for half an hour or 5 minutes. You start off with 5 minutes, then make it 10 minutes, then 20 minutes every single day for 14 days in a row. Once you make anything a habit, it is so much more likely to stick in your daily routine. And once that is done, it will literally be like another thing that you have to do. The more anything is a habit, the more you're going to get used to it, and you're not going to want to not do it. Do you know what I'm saying? In a blink of an eye, like, we are going to wake up one day with kids running around, with a husband, with so much more things that we have to get done and on our plates. And if not now, when? You know what I'm saying? Like, if you look at it that way, okay, that's fine. You don't want to do it now, by all means don't do it. But if not today, when are you planning on doing it? I truly hope that you watching this, take this as a lesson, take this as a sign and run with it. Just get your goal and run, because anything is possible. And if no one believes in you, I do. Lilian does. I have your back, and go ahead and prove everyone wrong and prove me right. Be like, Lilian, you were right. I did chase my goal, and it did happen. It did become my reality. I love you guys so much. I hope this video did help you a tiny bit. If anything, please do subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video for more videos, and let me know your thoughts and comments below. As always, I would love to hear what you think about this video. Until next time, keep smiling.